Hello Creighton families, this is Miss Fitzpatrick and I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to access and use Sumdog at home. To access Sumdog, you simply enter on the address bar www.sumdog.com. Once you've done that, you press the login button and this will take you to the login page where you can enter your username, your password and also the Creighton code, which is CG1. You can get all of your login details from your teacher and this will be provided to you. Once you have logged on, this will take you to your home page and your home page may look like this. And then when you're ready to play the games, you can click on the Sumdog icon where the arrow is pointing right now, and that will take you to the games. Once you're there, you can click Play Games. This page will then appear, and what you can do is you can click Tasks or Start. At the moment, we are going to click Tasks. From here, you can access your maths training, your work, or any multiplication, addition, division, or subtraction practice. In order to go home, you click the icon that says your name and you click the house button. This will then take you back to the home page where you can change your character using the close icon, decorate your character, or check your own score. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and hopefully it will help with accessing and using Sumdog at home.